March 5th, 2012, 2 years to the day.
I won't ease your strain.
When I was a kid, I always wanted to fly helicopters. I remember the first time I ever got in a helicopter, my dad set up a flight in a Bell Jet Ranger, and he had no idea the impact it had on me. The disconnection from the earth is something innate within all of us. The desire to fly, the desire to spread your wings and experience that freedom. 2-year anniversary to the day. This is it's 4:28 right now, and that's probably about the exact time that I broke my back 2 years ago. And here we are, loading up into a different kind of helicopter. It was Care Flight 2 years ago, and it's R22 fun time right now. Game on. March 5th, 2010, I was snowmobiling in the Sonora backcountry and overshot a jump. I burst fractured my first lumbar vertebrae and instantly entered the world of spinal cord injury recovery. I began that journey with zero feeling or movement below my belly button, and through deciding to recover, having a beautiful support system, help from the High Fives Foundation, Spine Nevada, and a community that absolutely held me up in a time when I was in need of that help, I'm happy to say, and I'm honored to say, that I've worked my way back to having feeling and movement all the way down to my knees.
Not scared of your stolen power. See right through you anyhow.
Last year's redemption was all about celebrating the past. With friends all around, I got back on my snowmobile and rode all day. This year's redemption is all about looking forward, focusing on the future, and making my dreams a reality. My wife Shauna has been the most incredible support system that any human being could ever hope to experience. She stood by my side through this entire experience, and long before the injury, she began a new journey for me. It was shortly after meeting her, and she empowered me and encouraged me to chase my dream, my passion to learn to fly. And so with that encouragement, I started learning to fly fixed wings, and I was on my way to that rating. And I had started flying with John Crawford at Sierra Air, and I had taken my first lesson in rotorcraft, and shortly thereafter broke my back and found myself in the ICU. So here we are 2 years to the day, back in the same bird, and I am beyond blown away, overjoyed, and stoked to be touching the sky. I mean, here we are, 2 years to the day. 2 years to the day, and the exact moment when I broke my back 2 years ago was the exact moment we're up in the air in this R22 right now.
They did good.
You did good.
What does it mean for your recovery?
It's gratitude. It's all heart, it's all fire. It's beauty. Life is happening right now. with or without your permission. And this right here, this is all about chasing dreams. This is all about living my truth, living in my truth, and being the highest version of myself. I hope you take today, and I hope you absolutely seize it. Go get those dreams.